Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Marwan Dajani from Elif Team Business Solution, and I'm not just a pretty face, I'm also the world's best method customization expert. And today, you're going to learn all about opportunities inside of Method CRM in just 5 minutes. And by the way, this intro is part of the 5 minutes. So let's get the clock running. Alright, so what's an opportunity? An opportunity is a potential source of business. If you come from HubSpot, think of them as deals. If you come from Salesforce, you might also call them opportunities. In fact, every CRM out there has opportunities. Some might call it the pipeline as well. Okay, so it's essentially a source of business that you would hope to kind of convert and become a project that you can go forward with. It's very important that you do not confuse it with a lead. A lead is a company or an entity or a person that you haven't done business with, right? While an opportunity can be for a lead or for an existing customer. For example, you want to do consulting with me again, right? We've done one in the past, and now I want to come back, and you're asking for the price of a specific project. Then I create an opportunity for you with a specific value for that project, where I can go ahead and track all the efforts, all the back and forth estimates, invoices, whatever it may be, for me to kind of move you through my pipeline, so that me and my team are in the know of where we are in this specific effort. I made a quick graph here, so think of it like a folder, right, where you you save, like, this is, you know, the potential project that it's going to be, where you can save your estimates, your activities, your invoices, any custom apps that you might have, etc. So let's take a look inside of Method. So I created an opportunity here, just fairly quickly. It's very easy, like no need to go through everything here, but that's the most important details. Let me just move my big face, put it here. The most important thing is the stage. That's essentially your pipeline, where you can move your opportunity through. So right now it's at the value proposition with a 50% probability of closing, or it means I'm halfway through closing this opportunity. When you start an opportunity, it's probably going to start at the prospecting stage. And I know what you're thinking. You know, Marwan, my business is tough and nuanced, and my sales process is so complicated. I mean, just calm down, okay? Method is fully customizable. It's meant to fit your business, not the other way around, okay? So you can always just edit the opportunity stages or create your own from here. Another question that I get asked a lot is, what is this amount? So that is the amount of the opportunity. So for example, in this one, I'm hoping to make $23,000 out of this effort. And then through the stage that I move it, so if it's 10%, I get the pipeline value, which is 10% of $23,000, $2,300. That's a very standard way in calculating your pipeline. So if you're a company, the sales company, that's trying to see, you know, how what is the value of my pipeline this month, let's say, then this is how you would do it. This is how you calculate it. Okay, so make sure that you kind of tweak your stages if you want to create new ones and put percentage for them. The rest is straightforward. So for example, all of the app ribbons, which is a standard thing in Method. If you know Method, this is where you see it. And opportunities have the same thing. Going back to the opportunities list, this is where you can see all of your opportunities in the pipeline. Right now I have it as my opportunities closing this month. Closing this month, meaning which day I'm expecting to close this opportunity, because you don't want it to run forever. I don't know if that's something you do. But the closing date is important to kind of time box your efforts as well, and let know your team what's important, what's been going on for so long. But there is a bunch, mine meaning that are assigned to me. This one right here, assigned to me. And shared, meaning that my colleagues or everybody else who uses Method, you can see the list of all of them. And there's a bunch of views that you can see, and you can manage your own standard Method business. One other cool feature inside of Method is the reorders. So I'm just going to go back into the dashboard, and if you click on the 3 dots and you click on manage, sorry, not manage, you go on 3 dots, and you come to reorders here, then you can enable reorders, and I'm going to enable it for invoices. Don't worry too much about the rest. So for example, once I enable this, it means it allows my users to kind of reorder things that they have ordered in the past from invoices. And you can do for sales receipts as well. And these are the items that I want them to reorder. So for example, I don't want them to reorder tax, site visits, or discounts. And I mark it as unavailable. And I click Save All Changes. There you go. Now I have created this random invoice here for a customer. If this customer is to log into the portal, and this is what it looks like from their perspective, I'm going to refresh because I just enabled it, and you'll see the reorder request here. So the customer, now this is from the perspective of a customer, can come here and see what they have ordered in the past on their invoice. They can select that item that they want to reorder and then click add item. And then there you go. It adds it and then submit the reorder request. Essentially what this will do is it will send you an email to say like, hey, this person has reordered this item. And then from opportunities here, if you go back to the opportunities app and you click the reorders, you'll see all the reorders that people have requested that you can now accept and create either as an estimate or invoice or a sales receipt, right? So, and add all the information for it. That takes us to 5 minutes here. That's all you need to know about opportunities. I hope it was useful. There's a lot of real life examples. One good thing that I've done a lot with opportunities, actually it's a very common workflow that I do, is take the opportunity once it's closed won and convert it into a custom project. So we create a custom projects app, and this way you kind of have continuity of your efforts, right? So you can track all of the things in the project and have access to the opportunity efforts that you've done in the past. It's really good for a big sales team, or if you're a sales company and you're trying to track specific project pricing. That's when I suggest that you use opportunities. In any case, I hope this is useful. Let me know what kind of information you'd like to see. Reach out for any questions that you might have. You'll see that my links are in the description of this video down below. You can even email me at marwan@elifteam.com. I'd love to hear about your business and just make a community of small business owners and just kind of discuss how we could solve problems for each other. I feel like this is something that we're all missing. We're all trying to kind of figure it out on our own, even though we have all those resources. So don't feel shy to reach out. You don't have to buy anything from me. And if you want customization and the best in the world, then you know how to reach me. And hoping to talk to you on the next one.